There's this local area emergency EAS from a long time ago, from February, and I didn't upload it, so I'm gonna upload it now.
Michigan and Michigan State still kind of carve up their position. The thing I love about Michigan's chances, Gus, is on the back end of their schedule right now with about 5 games left. They're all kind of because of these quad wins and the strength of schedule that Tom Izzo's always put together. You see a lot of teams mirroring it now. Look at the quad 1 wins. Now, again, nothing is guaranteed. Nothing to keep.
It was basically just a power outage at a consumer's energy plant, so there's a general for medical need. Oh, what? Oh, no, that's for the shelter. Never mind. Call that number. Call that number. Prank call that number, guys. All right, goodbye.